Hello, in this video here, we are going to solve a few problems as a review of solving one variable equations. Okay, so let's go. All right, so always I tell you, organize your work, okay, make it legible and order it. Just in case you make a mistake, you can go back and trace your work and maybe hopefully find where the mistake is. Okay, so one variable equations. Your goal is to reduce everything to just one term on the left and one term on the right, and then find your variable. Okay, here 4x minus 2 parentheses x minus 3 equals 8. Let's solve this one here. Okay, what's the rule? Whenever you see you're solving equation and you see something in parentheses, the rule is you have to remove the parentheses. How do we do it? Okay, so I write my 4x and note this negative here, it's part of the 2. So it's negative 2 times x, which is negative 2x, and then negative 2 times negative 3. Be careful, it is positive 6. If you write negative 6, you're wrong. Okay, now you have three terms on the left, one on the right. Okay, what do? Combine like terms. So 4x minus 2x is 2x plus 8 equals 8. Okay, like what did I tell you? Your goal is to reduce everything to one term on the left, one term on the right. Isolate like terms. Okay, you have your variable. Okay, your like terms, you have your variable. This is not a variable, this is not a variable. These are your rational numbers or your constants. So you group your like terms. It's only one variable, it's 2x, and then you remove the 6 to the other side. It's plus 6 here, it becomes minus 6. So you subtract 6 from both sides. You're left with 2x equals 2. And then finally, you divide by the coefficient of the x. The number multiplying your variable is called the coefficient. You divide by 2, and then your x equals 1. So see how I've organized my work. It's nice and neat. See how the equal sign is lined up. I box my answer. I'm done. All right, let's do another one here. We have 4x over 7 equals 8. What is x? Okay, so here I can make x 8 is the same as 8 over 1. And I can apply the cross multiplication here. I can do cross multiplication, which means 4x times 1 is equal to 8 times 7. 1 times 4x, 1 times 4x is 4x. Okay, so 4x 56. And finally, what do? I divide by the coefficient of the x, and I don't jump steps. Okay, step by step. At least not yet, not until you master it. And then your x equals 14. You're done. Or if I have 4x over 7 equals 8, I can say I do not like fractions. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the denominators. Get rid of the denominators. How do I do that? I can multiply each term on the left, each term on the right, by this denominator. If I do that, the 7's cancel. I have 4x equals 56. Cross multiplication or multiply each term by the LCM of the denominators. 7 and 1 is 7.